Yo, I ain't here for the money, I ain't here for the fame. Though it might be nice to own a jet plane, I'ma do it all for you. Come along and see it's true, but the world is pretty cold. You might need a sweater too. I'ma put a ride on ya. Kid from California, trying to make it in life. In school they never taught ya. Dreams of my own, I've been working from home. I can do it on my own, but sometimes it gets cold like. Persevering for my team so they can acquire cream. Find out what the words pays off really mean. Breathing life to a dream my peers wouldn't believe, but I'm running out of breath or I forgot how to breathe. It's been colder than ever, nothing like I remember. Like spring is the winter and every day is like December. So bring out your coats, bring out your sweaters. There's no telling when this weather is gonna get better. Cause I remember the moments when I was thought as a joke. Now they're giving me handshakes saying it was a joke. But I ain't joking around, I'm trying to give you all hope. You can do it if you want it, man, you drive your own road. Yeah, a notebook full of raps by the end of every class. That's my formula for life, not the formula to math. Like cause it's cold outside and I don't know why. I'm just living my life, I'm just living my life. Nothing's what it seems, got a pocket full of dreams. In the world battle free, so enjoy the warm breeze. I'm just living my life, I'm just living my life.
I've been waiting all week, take me anywhere you wanna. Tell me where to go, cause I'm new to California. I can bring the packs and she don't know how to roll up. Talk about your culture, I'm tryna get to know you. Come on, pull off to the side and we can walk, walk, walk. Empty in the bottle while we talk, talk, talk. Now I got you open, speaking soft, soft, soft. What took you so long? You don't have to run away with me. I'm not asking you to change a thing. I'm just trying to catch a wave with you before we get in way too deep. There's a resi at the Lila's cause it's just around the corner. Dressed up how you want, girl, you know it's California. Are you really quiet or just don't know what to order? I'm not trying to press, I'm just trying to get to know ya. And if you're holding on, maybe you should let it go. And if you're borderline, I'll get you a passport. Baby, if you think less, maybe you will laugh more. Mix it with the juice like, ooh, that's what that's for. It's private, don't look holler, we can walk, walk, walk. Now all that you wanna do is talk, talk, talk. Grab it on my belt like how you get this off. What took you so long? You don't have to run away with me. I'm not asking you to change a thing. I'm just trying to catch a wave with you before we get in way too deep. You don't have to run away with me. I'm not asking you to change a thing. I'm just trying to catch a wave with you before we get in way too deep. It's a rap when I hit you with the wordplay. Laying up, staying up till the birds sing. Don't feel bad that you did it on the first day. You regret it if you didn't. You don't have to run away with me. I'm not asking you to change a thing. I'm just trying to catch a wave with you before we get in way too deep. You don't have to run away with me. I'm not asking you to change a thing. I'm just trying to catch a wave with you before we get in way too deep.
You don't have to run away with me. I'm not asking you to change a thing. I'm just trying to wave with you before we get in
say you're real, then come around with some phony outcomes. You don't put in the work, then wanna look in the mirror like how come? I get pennies for my thoughts, what I say is common sense. At least you got what you pay for if you don't like anything that I said. I give you the shirt off my back, but you couldn't see it, that's why I felt so closed off. Everyone's there for the come up, I wonder who's there on the day you fall off. I wonder why people don't like when I talk about God. But it's cool when somebody gets shot, cool when somebody gets caught up in a drug they can't control cause they said it was hot. Too many problems to deal with, too many loved ones are lost. They called us a Christian country, pointing guns just to get a point across. Underdog, 100 lines in me, is that the pride living inside? Drop the ball, everybody judges, I see them all sitting courtside. Empty my pain, still feeling painful. Hanging to people are things that'll hang you. Letting it go is the person I came to. Don't forget everything that has made you. Every window in my heart tinted, back in it. In event, how I invented, housing money, I'm a lieutenant. Didn't drop the mirror, I'm the cracks in it, yeah. Lately I've been staying up till 3 a.m. I kinda like it better when I'm on my own. Writing up a text that I should not send. I know I've been distant, yeah. I just need a moment on my own, on my own. I just need a moment on my own, on my own, on my own. I know I've been distant, I know I've been distant, I don't know. I just need a moment, I just need a moment on my own. Time is money, it's been changing me. Custom made is what I'm made to be. How many times we gon' look at the past and not the person we came to be? Start up the engine, I roll up the window, got nothing to say. I guess dreams got Roman charges, every connection will fade. That's the only thing I know. LA out to Chicago, real ones only, that's the motto. Stay ready for tomorrow. Never know what's gon' happen to you till it happens to you. Till people asking you what happened to you. Till you're looking at your friends, what happened to you. Till you're looking at your life, what happened to you. Lately I've been staying up till 3 a.m. I kinda like it better when I'm on my own. Writing up a text that I should not send. I know I've been distant, yeah. I just need a moment on my own, on my own. I just need a moment on my own, on my own, on my own. I know I've been distant, I know I've been distant, I don't know. I just need a moment, I just need a moment on my own.
Remember my grandpa passed away and it killed my dad. I saw life is in promise, so I made a promise that I pursue my dreams no matter how they feel. They said that I can't, took out the T into a T, I killed it. Made sacrifices, always working OT. When they callin', I was feeling all eyes on me when I decided to step in the building. Fuck that radio music you listen to, I spit that real shit. In high school I was unpopular, never fit in with the cool kids. They were busy partying and making a bunch of excuses. I stood home building my craft, I had a dream I'm pursuing. It's hard to have these hopes and dreams, especially when I got